All right, I want to do a video answer key for section 12.2 just because completing the square can be tricky and the answers can take some strange forms. So I've already done number 1 here and you can see the answer. And number 2, I actually started this video earlier and then my phone memory got full and kicked me out of my video. So that's why I'm partially into this one. But on number 2, let's see. We get plus minus square root 26. I can't simplify the square root of 26, so I'm just going to get y equals negative 4 plus minus the square root of 26. All right, then number 3. I'm going to try to work kind of quickly to get through these before my phone dies. 3 is w squared plus 6w, and I'm going to leave a space automatically, equals negative 3. They already have the number on the right side. Plus something squared, and then take half of this term here, which is 3, putting it on both sides. This is my perfect square, so I get w plus 3 squared equals, this is going to give me a negative 3 plus 9, which is 6. So the square root of both sides, plus minus, w plus 3 equals, now the square root of 6 is 2 times 3. That's not going to break down any farther. So that's going to stay put. And then move this 3 to the other side, put it in the front, negative 3 plus or minus the square root of 6 is the answer. Okay, number 4 is, let's see if I can zoom in a little bit. C squared plus 18c, and it's minus 175 equals 0. Hang on, let me just double check one thing on this guy. Okay, so you want to make sure this number is on the right side. So I'm going to put it over here, 175, changing its sign. C squared plus 18c plus something squared plus something squared. Half of 18 is 9, 9. So I get c plus 9 squared equals, let's see, this is going to be 175 minus 81, and I'm going to get 90, oh, not minus, what am I doing? Plus 256. Oh, that sounds like a perfect square. Take the square root of both sides, and I get c plus 9 equals the square root of 256, which I want to say it's 16. It is, plus or minus 16. All right, now move the 9 over and put it in front. Negative 9, positive or negative 16. Well, that means two things. It means negative 9 plus 16, and it means negative 9 minus 16. So then we're going to end up with, let's see, this is what, negative 27. C equals, this is 7, and the other one is negative, no, negative 25 actually. 7 and negative 25. Yeah. All right. Number 5, I think I can squeeze that on here. Okay, 5 is v squared minus 20v plus 19 equals 0. All right, v squared minus 20v, putting that on the other side, plus something squared, plus something squared. Half of negative 20 is negative 10. Remember the negative signs. My perfect square is v minus 10 squared equals, and then this is going to be basically 100 minus 19. Remember when you square negative 10, it's going to become positive. So it's 81, which is a nice number. Take the square root, plus minus. V minus 10 equals positive negative 9. Now, I got to put the negative 10 over. So it's V equals 10 plus or minus 9. That's going to give me V equals 19 and 1. Okay. Oops. All right. 5. Number 6. 6. All right. 6 is z squared minus 6z minus 307 equals 8. Now we've got two numbers, and so they're going to end up adding together. When I put the 307, negative 307 on this side, those are going to add. So I'll have z squared minus 6z, and that's going to give me, leave some space, 315. 307 plus 8. All right, then add something squared, and then we're going to take half of negative 6, which is negative 3, and then my perfect square is z minus 3 equals 315 plus 9 is 324. Taking the square root, plus minus. Z minus 3 equals. Now 324, if I divide it by 2 is 162. I wonder if I can divide that by 4. No, 162 divided by 2 is 81. So what I get is 2 times 2 times 81. Oh, 324 is a square. Why am I doing that? Ha, never mind. That's positive and negative 18. All right, and then you move the 3 over. So it's z equals 3 plus or minus 18. And that'll give us 21 and negative 15. Those are two answers. Okay, 7. Y squared plus 18y plus 32 equals 226. All right, throw the 32 on the other side. Y squared plus 18y equals, now when I move it over, it's going to be negative. So 226 minus 32 will be 194. Add something squared, both sides. Put a 9 in here because it's half of 18. Y plus 9 squared equals 194 plus 81, 275. Now 275